Can you hear me? Yeah. Today we are going to start Oracle 19C. These are demo classes. Just observe it here. Whatever I am telling, just observe. Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. That is everyone knows. What is this 19 is version number. Oracle 1978 onwards. Oracle was released so many versions. Oracle Corporation was released so many versions. These are 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, 5.0, 5.1, 6.0, 6.1, 7.0, 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, 8.0, 8.1.5, 8.1.6, 8.1.7. These three versions are also called as 8i. Next 9i, 10G, 11G, 12C, 18C, 19C, 21C, 23C. These are version numbers. One of the version is latest version 19. What is C means a cloud computing only, cloud technology. But unfortunately, Java is an object-oriented language. C++ is an object-oriented language. Same like this Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation also. What type of product this one means? Everyone knows. This is a database product. This is a basically database product. Now check it out. Screen observe it. Yes, Oracle 19C is a database product. Now check it out. Here, observe it here. Yes, Oracle is a database product. What is the purpose of database products? So many database products are there in a worldwide. One of the popular database product is Oracle database product from Oracle Corporation. From Microsoft SQL Server also database product is there. Again, from IBM company, DB2 is a database product is there. From NCR Corporation, Teradata is a database product is there. Again, open source MySQL is a database product is there. That's why here Oracle is a one of the most popular database product from Oracle Corporation. What is the purpose of the what is the purpose of these database products means that is everyone knows, not only Oracle, every database product purpose is basically to store data permanently, to store data permanently, in secondary storage devices. Secondary storage devices means hard disk only. Okay, in secondary storage devices. Okay, now up to this one, maybe so many fellows having idea. But unfortunately, slowly observed here, now onwards, totally different. Suppose I am also here, also imagination how means I am installing a Oracle software. In a future, you are also installing a Oracle software. Whenever we are installing Oracle software, then automatically some place is reserved in a hard disk. This is called Oracle database. Everyone telling, okay, yeah, database is a place. Okay, fine. Actually, Oracle SQL Server, these are called DBMS softwares. Once we are installing those softwares only, automatically one place is reserved in a disk only. That is called database. Database is a place. Okay, now check it out. Concentrate here. Here, what we are thinking generally in this place only, observe it here. Concentrate here. You are a first time newcomer, either technical or non-technical programmers, where you are mistaken means observe it here. Suppose first time newcomer, how they are thinking. Suppose, oh, maybe, yes, whenever we are installing a Oracle software, automatically some place is reserved in a disk. That is database. Database is a place. We are thinking, okay, up to now, okay. In this database, we are storing a what? Random collection of data. Everyone thinking like that only. I am also first time newcomer. I am also thinking like that. Oh, maybe any random collection of data, any type of data also we are allowed to store in these database softwares or in this database. We are thinking only. That is a absolutely wrong one. Wrong one. Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, Informix, Ingress, Postgres, these type of MySQL, these type of database softwares are implemented based on relational data model is a concept. Don't worry that model, what is that one later, don't worry. That's why always these databases does not store random collection of data, impossible. These databases only stores a structured collection of data. Suppose you want a random collection of data also you want to store means MongoDB is there. There is no SQL database that is entirely different. These are Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL. These databases are implemented based on relational data model is a concept is there. Don't worry. And now here, that's why these databases stores a what? A structured collection of data. Observe here. Structured collection of data. Suppose in an organized fashion only data is there. They are arranging a what data in organized fashion. Here a table format because EF Cod is a mathematician. He is only invented a what? This relational data model. He is a mathematician. That's why he decided to represent the data in the format of matrix. Matrix are nothing but rows and columns are not. Same like nowadays, table format is there. This is called a structured collection of data. That's why always relational data model products, otherwise Oracle database stores a what? Which type of data? Structured collection of data. Structured collection of data. Structured collection of data. Now check it out. Really this is correct or not? We are checking 1 minute only. Now observe it here. This is a structured collection of data. Now screen observe it. Suppose this is a Oracle database is there. An organized fashion only data is there or not? Check it out 1 minute only. Yes, this is a structured collection of data. Oh, maybe one table format only data is there or not? Check it out. EMP is a table is there. What is these tables? Means practice purpose Oracle Corporation providing only. That is later I will tell you. Don't worry. These are demo classes. Just observe it. What is going on? Here EMP is a table is there. For example, one of the table practice purpose Oracle Corporation provided. These tables also you are familiar in a future. Now here in this employee table, employee number, e-name, job, MGR, hire date, salary, commission, department number, these are columns. And also these are data. So no rows are there. Here so many employee details are there. Or maybe employee Smith, his salary is what? 800. He belongs to 20th department. Alan is an employee. His job is what? A salesman. His joining date like this. Here he is getting a salary and also he belongs to 30th department. These are called records. Here Smith, Allen, Ward, Jones, Martin, Tubb, Blake, Clark, these are called records horizontally. Here employee number, e-name, job is there. No, these are called columns, same like a matrix format. But this is here, this is called a table only. Now observe it here. In this employee number column, you are observing or not, only stores a what? Numbers. Vertically observed here, numbers. Again, in this ename column, only stores a what? Characters. Vertically observed here. Again, in this higher date column, only stores a what? Dates. That's why in organized fashion, a structured manner only data is storing or not? Yes. That's why in this Oracle database, always we are storing our data permanently. Suppose today we are storing our your company employees information or anything, any data, transaction data, anything. Now that data is available in a where? In a number of years also. But that is a structured data. Now check it out. Observe it here. This is a what? Suppose here, for example, this a table is there. Here also structured data is there. Small table. This one DEPT is a table. Structured collection of data is there or not? Oh, maybe Oracle database, SQL Server database, MySQL database. These databases having a what? Collection of tables or not? This is one table. This is another table. Like this table format only data is storing. Now concentrate here. Once a structured collection of data is there, I am also, you are also operating a what? This data by using a what? Which language? Very good. One universal language is there. What is that language? SQL. This type of languages means variables are there. Again, control statements, loops are there, while loop, for loop, so many loops are there. Those type of things are not there in this SQL language. This language is a non-procedural language. Same like a English type commands only. Insert, update, delete, select, joins, some small commands are there, one or two lines of coding. Without any knowledge also, anybody also learning a what? This SQL language very easy way. That's why easiest language in the worldwide means SQL language, structured query language. Through this language, we are operating a data in a where these type of relational data model products, either Oracle or SQL Server or DB2 or Sybase, any database software side also. Now check it out. Check it. This is a SQL language. Through the SQL language, we are operating a what? Data in this type of relational data model products. Okay, yeah. Now check it out. Really correct. Suppose today this is a table is there. In this table, New York is a location is there. Maybe New York is a location is there. Now I want to change this data New York into where Hyderabad in my project. How can I means I am a okay Oracle developer means I'm typing a what some command. Observe it here. Update table name set here location is equal to Hyderabad, where here some coding I'm writing only. Observe it here. Yes. Whenever I am writing about this coding, now check it out here. Observe it here. This is a database is there. And now here I am observing what again this database. Here in a previous case, New York is there, but in this case, Hyderabad is a location is there or not. That New York will be changed into where Hyderabad. That's why this command, whatever command I'm typing only here, update something, one line of coding is there. No, this is called SQL language. SQL language, structured query language only. That's why always relational data model products are operating by using a what? Which language? One universal language is there. What is that language name? SQL is a language. Okay, na? Only storing data purpose, only databases? No. Only processing a data purpose databases? No. Some other purpose also we are using a what? Databases. Now here, observe it here. Now here, check it out. For example, efficiently we are retrieving a data, fetching a data from the databases. Database means huge amount of data is there based on the requirement, which type of data you want, that one we are fetching only. Suppose, for example, now here, check it out. Concentrate here. This is a table is there. Okay, so many things are there. First, observe it here. First, I'm telling also, just observe it here. Here, so many employees are there. Here, so many employees are there. Okay, yeah. Now, in my project only, I don't want to display all the employees only. Second letter, capital letter L is there. Okay, two times only L is there. Those employees only I want. In my project reporting side in this database, so now here is so much of data is there, but second letter is a LL is available. So now anywhere L, so not a second letter, anywhere LL is a what available, those employees only I want to fetch from this database. Then I'm experienced person, you are experienced person means you are writing a what coding, something writing a what SQL language commands like this. Maybe Java developers are well-known person, regular expressions, no? Yeah, they are writing a what? These type of codings only. How you are writing a what? These type of codings, I will tell you later, don't worry. Okay, na? Yeah, here, observe it here, yes. Now observe it here. Whenever my developer in my project, just they're writing a what? A single line of coding like this, or two lines of coding here. Whenever they're writing a what, that one automatically based on the requirement, oh, maybe LL is a what, so, no, sequence of characters are there. Those employees automatically retrieved or not? Yes. Now suppose, for example, here RR is a what? Different position only. Okay, not a sequence. Here LLM is sequence, different position only. Those employees are there. Yes, here two times R is there. Those employees I want to retrieve from the where? From the where database means just I'm experienced person means I am writing a what? Some coding. Now here you are also writing a what? These type of codings in a future your experienced person means. Now here observed here. Yes. Now check it out. I am writing coding like this. Then automatically, yes, here turner, it will display or not. Oh, maybe a different position only RR is there, not a sequence of characters. Then those employees only it will be retrieved or not. Yes. Not only storing the data purpose, but also we are fetching a what? A data purpose also. We are retrieving a what data. Suppose here this is a complete table is there. Fastly observed here. Just observe it here. This is a company table is there. Today, I'm an employee joining anywhere in this company, for example. One of the data entry operator, my details are storing into where this database table, for example. And now here, check it out. Here, observe it here. Now here, one of the data entry operator company side text boxes, label buttons are there. Don't worry, there is a front end through they are inserting. But just understandable purpose, insert into I am writing only. Don't worry. And now here, observe here, one of the data entry operator, they try to insert my details. My name is Murali. I am joining in a where company, for example. Now here, my details are storing in a where one of the data entry operator into this database, for example. Or maybe one. Here, my name is Murali only. Okay, fine. Yes, here, today date, I am joining only in a company. Yes, here, they're inserting a what data like that. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Now observe it here. Yes. My details are automatically storing or not? Yes, one. Murali. Here, 22nd January 2025, I am joining in a company. My details are there. Okay, another employee joining in aware, Smith. Here, his position is, job is clerk. Okay, Oracle Corporation giving 17th December. This 80 means 1980 is there. Don't worry, what is 1980, 2080, how we are find out means in a future, we are familiar to underscore care function through. Now, for example, this employee details are there. But unfortunately, one of the SQL developer, Oracle developer, writing about some coding, then my details, I am joining in a company today, my details are storing in a where? In this database table or not? Yes. But suddenly one HR employee asking, you are working in a company, you are working in a company, you are a Oracle developer in a company side. What is the, for example, what is the okay HR requirement is it there means your HR asking, I want to display or find out who are the employees are joining today in this company. Those all employees list I want. For example, they're asking. Then you are a experience okay, Oracle developer means you are writing a what coding like this. Observe it here. Huge amount of data is there in a database table, maybe either US, either UK, or anywhere also server is there in that one. Just you are writing a what coding only here. Some coding you are writing like this. In a future, what is this coding? I will tell you. Observe here. Yes, automatically, whenever you are experienced person, you are good at what SQL language, you are typing a what some command, then automatically, morally, okay, fine. Yes, 22nd January 2025, who are joining, that details are displayed or not? Yes, here. That's why always here Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation also. This is a popular database product. But unfortunately, same like Oracle, so many other type of database products are available. Already I told no. Yeah, anybody tell me Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. So many fellows having idea. Again, Microsoft product also there. That is a what? SQL Server is a popular database product, same like Oracle from Microsoft. Again, MySQL is a database product. This is also popular relational data model product that is open source nowadays. Oracle Corporation purchasing. Again, DB2 is a what? One of the most popular database product, relational data model product from which company? IBM company. Again, Teradata is a what? One of the popular relational data model product from NCR Corporation. Again, Postgres. This is also one of the most popular relational data model product from Ingress company. Sybase is one of the most popular relational data model product from Ingress company. Again, in your mobile also data is storing permanently. No, that is also relational data model product. That is not a Oracle. Suppose our phone numbers, some mail IDs, some images we are storing. No, yeah, in a mobile also. In that one, SQLite is a database is there. SQLite, that is from Oracle Corporation. SQLite is a database. These are all implemented based on a relational data model. Is a some concept is there. Relational data model means data is represented, logical data is represented in the format of matrix are nothing but rows and columns. That's why these all products, different products from different companies, these all different products also implemented, was implemented based on a which concept? Relational data model concept. That's why these all products are popular products also. These all products stores a what? A structured collection of data. But unfortunately, if you want to operate a what? Data in these all products, which language we are using? What is the language? Popular language? Which one? SQL. That is, I know, you know, everyone knows up to now. Okay. So many times repeated. Observe here, non-technical persons are there. Fast I'm telling also, just observe it here. Slowly repeated. Okay. Na? Yeah. Now observe it here. Up to now, okay? Na? Yeah. Now observe it here. Suppose you are joining in a software company. Suppose your project is Oracle database. You are working. You are a database programmer, Oracle database programmer, either PLSQL developer or Oracle apps developer. You are appointed. Okay. But unfortunately, if you are interested to operate data in that Oracle database software, only you are good at what SQL knowledge means not enough, not sufficient. What is the languages required to operate a what Oracle database means? Screen observe it. One is SQL is a language. That is, you have an idea. Oh, maybe structured query language. Not only that one. Another language is, what is that one? PLSQL, procedural language extension for SQL. This is also compulsory, mandatory nowadays. Again, another language not a mandatory. What is that one means? My interest purpose, I will tell you in our classes, dynamic SQL. That's why observe it here. Observe it here. If you want to operate Oracle, then we are using a what? Which languages? One is SQL, structured query language. Another one is what? Procedural language extension for SQL, that is PLSQL. Another one is dynamic SQL. At least these two languages you are good means you are operating a data in a where? This database software. Now in our class side, I will tell you in a regular session side, these three languages. Anywhere in the worldwide, you are joining a course in a where either online or offline in a Oracle course, either in a countryside also. Everyone telling a what in that course side, two languages. One is SQL, PLSQL, they are telling only. That is also enough. But my interest purpose, I'm experienced person, I'm telling a what extension also, dynamic SQL also. There is a little bit of concept. Now observe it here. Suppose once you are starting a what our course in one of these days only, what are the concepts we are learning a what in a where in SQL language? Main concepts are there in SQL language side. Don't write it only, just observe it here. Maybe in a future you are joining a courses means which concepts means joins is a main concept. Joins means fetching data from multiple tables. Again, another concept is what? Constraints. That is primary key, foreign key, something is there, constraints. Another one is subquery, query within another query. Anybody attending a what? NA, Java, .NET, Python, these type of interviews means interviewer asking only, write a query to display highest salary employee, write a query to display second highest salary from any table they're asking. Write a query to delete duplicate rows from a table. These are generalized queries. Why they are asking is from the subquery chapter side, we are learning those all the things everywhere in the worldwide. That's why in SQL language, so many concepts are available also. Okay, what are the main concepts? Joins, something is there, constraints, subqueries, these are main chapters. Here also in a PLSQL, procedural language extension for SQL, there is a huge concept also. Just what are the main concepts means? Cursor is a concept is there. What is that one we are learning? Again, very important. Stored procedures, most powerful. Without this knowledge, there is no Java, there is no .NET, there is no Python like that. Stored procedures, most powerful. Maybe some fellows are having an idea in this terminology. Again, stored functions, triggers, packages, so many things are there. Now here, these type of concepts are important to learn only. That's why always in our course, a huge syllabus is there. Just observe it here 1 minute only. Here, suppose SQL language is there. For example, one of the stage you are starting a what? One of the stage means here first initial stage, some commands, basic commands. I will tell you. These are all the commands like this. Once you are good at what is going on, you are understandable. One of these stage you are good. Then immediately we are starting a what? A main chapter. One of these stage main chapter in SQL language side. Here observe here joins means nothing is there. We are fetching data from multiple tables. Maybe some Java developers are having idea left outer join, right outer join, full outer join, some names, no? Yeah, those familiar. Again, observe here, so many things are there in that one. Once that chapter, your very good knowledge means then constraints is another chapter is there in a SQL language side, primary key, foreign key, check. So many things are there. What is that one validation side? Once you are good at what those concepts, then very important. Okay, so now chapter we are learning in every database in the worldwide means subqueries. Here, this one is a query within another query is called a nested query or subquery. This is a big concept, very big concept only. Okay, every database programmer must familiar. Once we are good at what that one, then sequences, synonyms, okay, indexes, so many types of concepts are available only. Don't worry, TCL, DCL, so many things are there. Not only that one, you must familiar with the what advanced concept. Now 1 minute observe here. Here regular expression operators, conversion, so many things are there. One of the stage analysis parameters. These are all the things you don't have an idea today. Just observe it here. Okay, loops also there. Okay, yeah, here observe here. In a Java, .NET, Python programmers are well-known persons. Regular expressions, Oracle 10G onwards. Oracle side also these regular expressions are there. Some special type of notations like this. These are POSIX notations. Through that one, queries we are learning only. One of these days, Aadhaar card validation. Here, suppose mail ID validation. Here, PAN card is there. PAN card means first five bytes are characters. Second four bytes are which one? Each byte is one character, or maybe numbers. Last one is a what? Capital letter, one character. This is a format. Observe here. Whenever we are wants to validate that PAN card means yes, you are writing how you are writing a coding like this. What is this coding you are learning? Don't worry. These are regular expression code. Then automatically correct output it will display or not. Or maybe five characters and four digits. Last only one digit is there like that. Again, Aadhaar cards also there in a India side. Now here, four digits are there. Yeah, here. Now how means you are writing a what some coding. These are regular expression coding only. These codings you are writing means automatically correct output it will display. Okay, yeah. Suppose last only dollar you are not writing, end of the line anchor something is there, then wrong output. Okay, those all the things you are familiar. Don't worry. In a future. That's why always you are good at what? SQL, like that only. So many concepts are there. Again, after SQL, we are learning. Then PLSQL, we are starting only. Okay, don't worry. One of the stage after half of the thing SQL completed means PLSQL parallelly also we are learning. Okay, yeah. Now check it out. Suppose you are a PLSQL means procedural language extension for SQL. Suppose which syllabus is there means use syllabus. Why? Because in our class, so many fellows are applying as a what? PLSQL developer jobs without any knowledge of Java, .NET, Python also. Yes, so many opportunities are there. PLSQL developer side. That's why. But little bit of SQL knowledge also required whenever anybody interested to apply PLSQL developer. Observe here. PLSQL introduction we are learning. Cursor is a big concept we are learning. Exception means try catch through finally is there no in a Java and a Python. So now okay, sorry, okay, C++, same like here also, that is not there also. Some other thing is there here, that is exceptions, runtime errors, how we are handling. Then subprograms, very important. Stored procedures. This chapter is most powerful. How you are passing a values into where your Java into where database means in parameter. Again, from the Oracle database into your Java .NET applications, you have to return the values means out parameter. These type of things we are using. Okay, stored procedure side. Very very important chapter that one. Now here once we are good at what that basic level triggers, packages and all these things, anybody interested to apply what PLSQL developer means that knowledge is not sufficient. That's why here new technology we are learning types that is called collections, index per table, nested table, VRI like this. Still interviewer asking about these type of advanced concepts. Now here bulk bind performance tuning side that the PLSQL performance tuning concept only. Here, Reef Cursor also, you must familiar, Java developers are sending a what bulk of data written into where your Java application from the Oracle database means Reef Cursor as a out parameter, they are passing only, something is there. That is a Reef Cursors. Again, local subprograms. Any PLSQL developer applying a job means UTL file packages, external tables, SQL loader, these type of knowledge is required. That's why here this is a huge syllabus. Why? Because why I'm writing about this all the things means always PLSQL developer jobs are available. Anybody interested to apply what those jobs purpose, this syllabus is very helpful. But Java side, this much of syllabus is not required. You are a Java developer means up to stored procedure you are learning also enough. Okay, if time is there, then you are listening all the things only. Otherwise, not a problem. Now check it out again. Observe it here again. Not only that one. Here, 1 minute. Observe it here. Evening 7 o'clock, the one batch is going on. PLS till in that one collections are going on. I think. Okay, yeah. Here, observe here how much syllabus is there. Don't afraid. Okay, one by one we are learning means then automatically so many things you are understand. PLSQL developer side here inter questions also I am designing because basically I'm a PLSQL developer in a olden days. I was working as a PLSQL developer so many years only. That's why so many important questions I'm preparing only. Okay, yeah, I have prepared that one your interview purpose. Again, once you are good at what that one. 1 minute of here. Yes, here some special type of packages are there in a project side. These type of things we are learning. Now again, a dynamic SQL is there. That is an extension of the where PLSQL. Okay, some drawbacks are there in a PLSQL. Some concepts we are unable to use. In that case, dynamic SQL construct we are using execute immediate class. Through that one, how we are dropping a what all the indexes at a time by using a what. So now procedure how you are writing. So many things are there. Okay, that is not a biggest concept. A little bit of knowledge is required. Suppose in a project side you are creating a procedure means those procedures are executed in every Monday, every Sunday, every Monday, 10 o'clock. That is a job scheduling is there. 11G side, DBMS. I'm running a water job every 1 minute. How means what is this one? These are all the things we are learning. Okay, that's why observe it here. What I'm telling, Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. This is what type of product? This is a database product. What is the purpose of database products? To store data permanently. Once the data stored in permanently means any number of times also we are fetching the data according to requirement, and we are modifying the data possible by using a which language? SQL is a universal language. Is there? What is that SQL? Tomorrow I will tell you, don't worry. Again, once we are storing a water data, then we are processing data by using these languages. SQL, another one is what? PL, SQL, another one is dynamic SQL languages. But unfortunately, in a real-time project side, real-time application, real application side, where we are using a what? These database products, either Oracle or SQL Server or DB2, any database products also where we are using means everywhere database. Suppose at least banking applications you are observing, your bank account number in a computerized system side, your balance, these all the things are stored in a very table format. There is a relational data model product. Maybe in a Oracle, in a SQL Server, in a MySQL, in a database also they are using. Suppose nowadays Amazon, Flipkart, those type of commercial websites are there. Swiggy, Zomato, these type of food coupon, food orders, those type of apps also implemented. Database is required. Suppose you are booking a one order in Amazon or Flipkart, that order number, unique number is automatically generated. That is auto increment concept implemented by databases. Suppose any festivals are there, daily they are changing a what cost of the wear products only. How it is possible that is 50%, 5%, 3%, what suddenly percentage in a price only. How it will be changing in a database? It will be changing. That is affected in a where in a front end it is displayed. These databases are not visible, but the professionals are required to handle the what software application side. These database professionals are required. So many opportunities are there. In a future, one of these days, observe it here. Anything. One of these days, what type of job opportunities are there? I will tell you here. Observe Java developers, Python developers, PHP developers are learning whatever I get required. Or again, PLSQL developer applying a job, those persons only. Again, ETL developers. One of these days I will tell you Informatica, talent, data stage, these type of developers also. At least a basic SQL knowledge is required. Again, report programmers also, basic SQL knowledge is required. Suppose nowadays so many fellows are Power BI tool they are learning only. In that one, basic SQL knowledge is required. The ERP side, they are everybody interested working is those persons are strong PLSQL knowledge required. These type of so many jobs are there. Okay, now that's why so many types of jobs per only we are under what this course only. This is whole. Now it's mandate also. At least minimum basic SQL knowledge, at least what is going on, at least basic joins in SQL language. Compulsory software must failure. Otherwise, they are unable to handle the projects. What is going on, they are not understandable. That's why in Java, in .NET, in Python, in AI, okay, attending a what interview in a pressure level also, or experience person also. Minimum knowledge there in a database or not, they are checking purpose. Some queries they're asking. Already I told no, I to length, I to delete duplicate rows from a table. What are window functions? What are rank, dense rank, row underscore number, lag and lead. Those all the things interview asking. But the minimum knowledge is there and they are understandable what is going on in the side. That's powerful, this one. Either you are learning a what, either Oracle or SQL Server, DB2, or anywhere also in a word, but properly you are learning only. Okay, this is the smallest demo class. At least any technical terminology also I am not telling. Just I'm showing you fast, just how this is going on, this is going on, something is there. Just observation purpose. Tomorrow onwards, one by one, I will tell you 2 or 3 days. I will tell you demo classes. Okay, yeah. In that one, observe it here. Telling also just observe what is going on. So that knowledge is understandable. Otherwise, that will be help. Then only you are interested to join or anything, you are decision maker. Okay, yeah. Anybody having any doubts, please ask me. What is SQL and standard language? Which SQL language we are learning? All the SQL languages are same, Oracle or SQL Server or DB2. Tomorrow I will tell you, don't worry. Okay. Anybody having any doubts, please ask. You are a first time newcomer. Hello, hello, hello. Can you hear me? Anybody having any doubts, please ask me. At least this terminology I understand. Okay, na? Okay, maybe so many technical persons are there, very easy, but in a non-technical persons are there, then just observe it terminology. Okay, na? Yeah. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow also demo classes. Just observe it, demo classes, 2 or 3 classes. Then only we are starting. Okay, na? Yeah, that is better. Okay, na? Yeah. Tomorrow I will tell you. Okay, I'm so experienced person. In 2010 onwards, and I'm in teaching field only in a PLSQL. Previous days only, I'm working as a PLSQL developer. That's why so much of knowledge is there. That's sharing only. I will share you those all the things. But easy way writing a queries, I will tell you. But whatever my notes you are following me is you are getting a good knowledge. Otherwise, in a Google also, you have to type it more or less or PDF, Oracle PDF, more or less or PDF, you have to type it. Then automatically maybe 2015 or 14 year wise, some fellows are putting in a net only those, okay, notes only, okay, in those days notes. Then you have to observe it at least. Oh, maybe something is there. Anybody having any doubt means, okay, yeah. Thank you so much for attending this small demo class, smallest concept. I am not telling you what important concept also. Just first time, no. Tomorrow I will tell you important technical concepts. I will tell you. Okay, na? Yeah. Thank you so much for attending this small demo class. Tomorrow I will tell you another demo class. Okay, na? Just observation purpose. Thank you. Tomorrow continue at the same time. Tomorrow continue. Thank you. Anybody not attending yesterday class? Don't worry. Small concept I told yesterday. Again, we are recollecting about that concept within 1 minute only. Just observe it here. Concentrate. Very easy. What I am telling about yesterday class side, Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, Informix, Ingress, Postgres, MySQL. These are database softwares. Oracle is one of the popular database software from Oracle Corporation. 19 is a version number and C is a cloud technology. Observe it here. Oh, maybe Oracle is a what? A database software. Okay. Yeah. 1 minute observe it here. Yesterday I told like this. Okay. Anybody newcomers are there? Those persons purpose I'm showing just a satisfaction purpose. Now observe it here. Yes. Here now observe it here. Concentrate. Here, screen observe it. Oracle. Here is a database. Is a terminology is there? Oracle database. Okay, now observe it here. Observe it here. What is the purpose of this database software means to store data permanently in secondary storage devices. But Oracle does not store random collection of data. SQL Server does not store random collection of data. DB2 does not store random collection of data. MySQL does not store random collection of data. Why? Because these type of database softwares was implemented based on one concept is there. Relational data model is a concept. That concept was invented by E.F. Cod. He is a mathematician. He is working in a very IBM company. He is a scientist actually. Now he is representing a data in the format of matrix. Matrix are nothing but rows and columns. No? That's why here these type of database software stores a what? Structured collection of data. Yesterday I told structured collection of data. Absolute here. Yes. This is a table format only data is there. Here columns are available. Here, okay, rows are there. These are called rows only, horizontal. Why I am giving the guarantee this is a structured collection of data means observe it here. Now, in this case, at least you are a first time newcomer, you are observing in this employee number column, only numbers are available. In this ename column, only strings are available. Already I told you. Again, in this higher date column, only dates are available. Organized fashion only data is storing. Okay, yeah. Now observe here. Observe here. Suppose this is a table format only data is there in a Oracle or SQL Server DB to these databases. But I am a developer. You are a developer. I am a end user also. You are an end user also. If you want to operate a data in these databases, we are using a what? Which language? SQL is a language. That is a non-procedural language. Observe here. This is a SQL language there. But not only SQL language. If you want to operate a data in these type of database software, otherwise Oracle database software, then we are using two languages. One is SQL language, structured query language. Another one is what? Extension of the SQL, procedural language concepts that embedded, that is PLSQL. Okay. These two languages, a developer good knowledge is there, then that person is operating a what? Data in this database. Okay. Yeah. But dynamic SQL, you have an idea or not having idea also not a problem. Okay, up to this one, we are discussing a what in a previous class. Okay, anybody newcomers are there? Don't worry. Okay, only that concept I told yesterday. Okay, yeah. Next, today, very important. These are demo classes. Just observe it. Fastly, I'm telling also. Just observe it all the things. Okay, yeah. Now check it out. One technical concept. I have a doubt on it. Suppose this one you are telling is great. Really, observe it here. Suppose I am a Oracle programmer, for example, in my software company. I am working in a Oracle project, Oracle database project. I am also, my colleagues also operating a data in this Oracle database. We are using SQL is a language. Nothing is there. SQL means insert, update, delete, select, merge, okay, some small commands are there. Don't worry. By using those commands, I am also, my colleagues also operating a what a data in this Oracle database. Okay. SQL is a language. Commands are there. Don't. But unfortunately, in my software company, not only Oracle database projects, so many other database projects also there. Because companies means they are getting award so many different projects. Okay, yeah, from the clients. Now check it out. Suppose, for example, assumption Microsoft product is there, one of the product SQL Server. This is also same like a Oracle database. Some employees are working in a way in my company. This database also same like a Oracle database. SQL Server is one of the popular databases there from Microsoft company. But who are working in a way this SQL Server database, those persons also always operating a what data in this database by using a which language? SQL is a language. Again, some fellows are okay, working in a where another project is there in my company. MySQL is a database is there. This is also popular database only PHP programmers are using. And now you're who are working in a where yes, in this MySQL project also open source. Those persons also operating a data in this database. They are using a what? Which language? SQL is a language. But what is my doubt is these all SQL languages are same or different? I'm confusing one. Maybe anybody technical persons are there in our class. Guess it. Any Java developers, Python developers, AI developers are there in our class. Otherwise, computer students are there. Maybe they are telling only correct answer. Again, I'm asking. Observe here. One small question. I have a doubt. So many fellows are having a doubt only this one. Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, DB2, Sybase, Informix, Ingress. So many database softwares are there. Relational data model based only implemented softwares are there. But any working professionals working in a way, otherwise anybody working in a way, these type of databases, they are using a one common language, SQL language. But these all SQL languages are same or different? Only one answer is correct. Anybody tell me? In this diagram, Oracle database side, SQL language through we are operating, SQL server database side, SQL language through we are operating, MySQL database side, SQL language through we are operating only. But these all languages are same or different? So many times repeated because this is very important. These all SQL languages are same or different? Very good. So many fellows are telling in this class wrong answer. Yes, here all SQL languages are same. They are telling only wrong one. These all SQL languages are not same. Why so many fellows are in our class? Java developers also telling what Murali sir, maybe this is same only they are telling me is reason is there. Wrong answer why they are telling this reason is there. Maybe academic career side lab is there. Suppose any computer students are uh, reading a paper, DBMS 3 is there. In that one, corresponding practical is there. In that one, MySQL or Oracle or Teradata, anything they are installing also. In a lab only, insert, update, delete, select, some commands are there, I think. First initial stage, they are typing only, same like a typing only. But unfortunately, those 4 or 5 commands are common in every database. Also, same syntaxes are there. That's why they are confusing. They are telling a what same only based on that knowledge, basic level knowledge. But unfortunately, those 4 or 5 commands are same also. These SQL languages are not same. Very good. One person telling only not same. Great. These SQL languages are not same. How you are given the guarantee these all SQL languages are not same means now here one thing is there. What is that one means? Chandu, you are telling correct. Okay, now here observe here answer. How you are remembering very easy way this concept means simple technique is there. Maybe any technical persons are there in our demo class. Maybe technical means academic areas and little of knowledge in Java, some concepts. Okay, yeah, very good. Those technical persons are now today easily understandable. How you are remembering this concept without confusing? Simple technique I will tell you. Observe here. Screen observe. These all SQL languages are not same, but some commands are same commands are there. How you are remembering? Simple technique is there. What is the technique? Screen observe. Simple. This comparison through easily understandable. Everyone. Suppose experienced persons, well-known persons, but basically first the newcomer. Observe here. Newcomers concept. Actually, in a worldwide, so many object-oriented languages are there. Maybe you have an idea. C++, very good. Java, .NET, Visual C++. These are object-oriented languages, popular object-oriented languages. For example, observe here. Same similar things are there. Observe here. C++ is one of the popular object-oriented languages in a worldwide. Again, another popular object-oriented language everyone knows Java. Maybe these type of languages, maybe computer students are well-known persons in academic careers. Okay? Slowly observe here. Concentrate. Any computer students are there? Observe here. Observe. Technical persons. Actually, C++ is an object-oriented language and Java also object-oriented language. Okay, but in a C++, object-oriented features are there. Oops, features are there. Maybe some fellows having idea. What are the oops features are there? Very good. One is object. Don't worry. Okay, just observe here. Newcomers object. Another one is what? Class. Another one is what? Inheritance. Another one is what? Polymorphism. Another one is encapsulation. Something is there or not? Yes. Okay, fine. These are the concepts. Don't worry. Again, in a Java language also, object-oriented features are there. Okay. Yeah. What are the object oriented features are there means here also same thing is there. Here also object is there. Here also class is there. Observe here. Same similar comparison is there in a database. Observe. Here also inheritance is there. Here also polymorphism is there. That's why conceptually these oops concepts are same or different? Same, really. But concept I try to I'm a technical person. I try to create an object from the class. What is object? What is class? I'm not interested to tell. That is a big concept. But first observe here. Suppose I'm a C++ programmer. I want to create an object from the class means what is the syntax? Any technical persons tell me? Very good. Class name space object name. This is a syntax. Okay. Yeah. In a C++, we are creating an object from the class means just a class name space object name is a syntax we are using. Same here. In a Java side, you are a Java programmer. Suppose in a Java side, if you want to create an object from the class means what is the syntax? Very good. Class name. Okay. Yeah. Space object name is equal to new class constructor. That's why syntactically different or not? Yes, very good. Different. Syntactically different. Okay, observe here. Here in a C++, what is the syntax of the object creation from the class means class name space object name. But in a C++, what is the syntax to create an object means class name space object name is equal to new class constructor. Something is there. Okay, yeah. That's why syntactically different. Conceptually same. What is object? What is class? Again. Functions. Suppose in a C++, if you want to display working, no, not working. That is different language only. Here we are using a what? System dot out dot println something is there or not? Yes, through that one we are displaying only. That's why functions also different. Only in these two languages, only oops futures only same. What is object, what is class, what is inheritance same, but syntactically totally different. And functions also totally different. Same thing here also. Here, now observe here. Actually, Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, Informix, Ingress, Postgres, MySQL, Teradata, the SQLite, these all are relational database softwares. If you want to operate what these relational database softwares data means compulsory we are using SQL language, I'm agree, but SQL is a universal language. SQL is a ANSI standard language. Observe here, which works in all relational database. I'm agree. Observe here. SQL is a ANSI standard language. American National Standard Institute define some standards on the SQL language. SQL is a ANSI standard language. Now onwards, observe here. You are understandable. ANSI standard language. ANSI standard language. Okay. Yeah. SQL is an ANSI standard language, which works in all relational database. Okay, I'm agree. But here only difference. Observe. Screen observe. Suppose Oracle. Observe here. Oracle database. SQL Server is a product from Microsoft. Again, MySQL is a open source. Now observe here. Oracle is a database software. SQL Server database software. MySQL database software. Different companies. Only ANSI language is the ANSI standard language, which works in all relational database. I agree. But screen observe. From the ANSI standard SQL language, Oracle Corporation created their own SQL language. That is called Oracle SQL. This is so many people that doesn't know Oracle. That's in our class. We are learning about which SQL language, Oracle SQL language. Again, who are working Power BI, those persons in SQL Server SQL. What is actually submitted to? Yes, Microsoft creating a what from this ANSI standard SQL. Their own SQL language they are creating that called SQL Server. That's why Power BI programmer are using SQL Server SQL. Again, MySQL creating a what their own SQL language that's called here MySQL SQL. Observe it here. Concept. That's why database SQL languages are conceptually same. Table, procedure, function, trigger, packages, sequence, cluster, these type of objects. What is going on? But same like this. And also functions also 4 or 5 commands are same. Suppose values is a concept is there in a Oracle. Example, if you want to operate a what data in a where, okay, so now when I arithmetic operation are values again, it will become a null. Something is there, okay, in a Oracle. But how Oracle programmers rectify that problem means Oracle provided which function NVL is a function they are providing only. Okay, yeah, NVL function we are reaching what are the task. Okay, now same function I try to use in SQL server database side possible? No, not possible. Now, in SQL server also, in arithmetic operation, null values again, it becomes a null value is there. But how they are achieving a what? The task means here is null is a function is there because different function. Conceptually same, but different function. Again, my SQL side, I tried to use a what same is null NVL functions are possible. No, not possible. Here, same arithmetic operation performed on null values again, it will become a null value is there. In this case, here, if null is a function, we are using. That's why SQL is a ANSI standard language which works in all relational database. I am agree. But from this ANSI standard SQL, Oracle creating a what? Oracle SQL. Microsoft product SQL Server creating a what? Their own SQL Server SQL. But that's why in our class we are learning a what? Oracle SQL. Actually same. Just function, tables and all views, synonyms, what is going on, same. But syntactically different. And also functions also different. Here functions different, here are not. Same like a C++ and Java, you have to remember it. Okay, yeah, that's why one of the fellow is telling about first initial stage only. Very good. Here syntactically different. They're telling. Hello. Now it is audible properly. Some network problem is there. Voice is not clear. Telling. Hello. Now tell me. Can you hear me? Yes. First time telling also. First time no. Okay, yeah. Just idea purpose. Means I will tell you later. Can suppose screen observe it. Suppose, for example, I'm an Oracle programmer. For example, I'm a Oracle programmer. I want to view today date. Today date means I am typing a what in my Oracle database. This is a Oracle database only. You are also installing in a future. Just a sysdate function is there from something I'm typing only like this. Okay, yeah. Today 23 January 25. It will be displayed or not? Yes. Now same function apply in a where in a no, not working. Suppose here observed here today date is there. Okay, fine. I want to add a what 1 month only. For example, I want to add a 1 month means just a month. I want to add months means in a Oracle means add underscore months is a function they are providing only. For example, in Oracle side, some predefined function. Don't worry. Predictive scan functions are in a seal on the same like here also functions are there. Add underscore months through we are adding a what months. Suppose 1 month I'm adding means possible. Now here check it out. Yes, automatically. Yes, 23 it will be displayed or not? Yes. Same function I tried to use in SQL are working. No. Those persons are using a what? It add is function is there through that one possible. That's why functions also different or not? Yes. Functions also different. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Some network problem is there. Don't worry today. Okay. Yeah. That's why anybody asking a what? So now here, Oracle. What is Oracle means? Oracle is product from Oracle Corporation. Really, this is not a database only. Actually, Oracle. Observe here. 1 minute only. Just observe here. Oracle, SQL Server. These are MySQL. These are EDM softwares. Okay, what EDM software I layer here. These are which one? EDMs. Relational database management systems. Software. These are called EDM softwares. Once we are installing these EDM softwares, we are installing in your system. Also, you are also installing in the future how we are installing Oracle. Installing softwares in our system. We are one is reserved in there. This place is called a database. Fortunately, Oracle database, SQL Server database, they are very reality side slightly different. This is a data. In this place only, there is place. And once we are inside these type of software, this place is created. In this place only, we are storing the data in the format of tables. Once these tables, we are automatically as well, and don't worry. And now the data used by front-end applications. Okay, yeah. Suppose you are a Java developer. Okay, yeah. you are a .NET developer, AI developer, these developers are these are suppose I got something I want to know. So items like this are available. This database is not visible to the end user. Suppose you are looking at a website in a database, you know the data from database into a database. How you are fetching what one you are doing. So, for example, announcing so for example, I'm opening a water Flipkart.com. Today, I want to purchase a water. One item, for example, I am a customer. I know database, I know your software application. Just I am opening a water. Now I'm interested to purchase a water one item. Sharp on okay. Yeah. Now whenever I am in a store only, okay, so now here I am typing one product. I won't say the stress side. So I'm typing like this. Whenever I'm typing like this, automatically what happens here? That's what I'm there. Okay, who are developing the what this what it means. Here, database programmers here developing database. Whenever we are clicking this one, yes, automatically here one query is generated. Select a star from table name item where so now here item is equal to shirt automatically and now here yes observe it here now here automatically this quiz is executed. Whenever this is all SQL language, strong knowledge is there in a where SQL those are writing typing only. Whenever you are one this coding is executed here this code only observe it retrieve the what data from that item table and retrieve and displayed over here. Again okay. Now it shows okay. So from tab I want to select one shell for example the shirt. How you're filtering the what? Yes, this data is observed here. Here and is an operator there, right? Only and is in a database and operator there. And so now here item color so is equal to here red like this. Red color shuts only and so again filter the data in this red color. Now here yes some more than 40 size I want to view means yes again here and the operator through they're writing a what SQL programmer like this only and so now here size is equal to 40 this. They are writing a coding. You are also you are a database programmer means according to requirement, this type of codings you are writing only. This is called SQL language. This is called SQL language. That's why whenever anybody developing what these type of projects, SQL developers are required. At least operating a data also SQL developers are required. That's why everywhere 95% of the software development side skill language. That's why you're not good at PLSQL, you're not interested to work in a PLSQL developer. So many applications level SQL knowledge is required. At least this minimum knowledge is required in a where SQL, basic knowledge. That's why maybe where last 3 years what's the over one language what career side or outside also at least a basic level, some queries, some joins, some constraints, the where SQL language side. Okay, yeah. Yeah, maybe some problem is there, it's not audible only loudly. Okay. After this one, tomorrow, because tomorrow I will tell you another demo class. Tomorrow and after tomorrow, we are having demo classes. Then we are starting what are regular classes. Anybody having any doubts, please ask me. Understood this? Very good. Our course is more than 3 months only. And also, parallel, you are attending what SQL, PSQL also. Please, Amali sir will get support for Oracle installation process also. Don't worry, okay? Because some not person, maybe a type of person also interested to know what this type of okay, because easy. That's why initially also I will tell you. Okay, one stage only some knowledge is required. After this knowledge here, installation process. Don't worry. Okay, how you are downloading of what that sort. This type of snapshots also there. Don't worry. 1 minute. Yes, we also here. You want to select or let go more. But the side name, password was on all things I will tell you. Very easy installation.